Along the Severn Valley Railway line, there are a number of bridges and viaducts. As many of these were built more than 150 years ago, there's a lot of maintenance and restoration work that needs to be done to keep these structures safe. The most recent restoration works took place on the Falling Sands Viaduct in Kidderminster. The Falling Sands Viaduct, with its 7 brick arches, carries the Severn Valley Railway over the River Stour and the Staffordshire-Worcestershire Canal. It was completed in 1878 and is 121 metres long and nearly 20 metres high. The viaduct's hollow arches contain drainage pipes packed in with sand and rubble, allowing rainwater to drain off the tracks above. Over the years, this pipework failed and the brickwork deteriorated. In 2020, work commenced on making the viaduct structurally safe again. During the works, contractors had to remove the tracks and the infill from the top of the viaduct in order to fix the poor drainage, which had not been working for decades. Abseiling specialists were employed to repoint the viaduct brickwork by dangling from ropes above the river and canal. They also fitted fiberglass corbels to replace stone ones that had been removed in the 1970s. During the work, bats were found to be living on the viaduct, so special bat boxes were provided for them to live in. The restoration project cost £1.3 million, with funding raised by the National Lottery Heritage Fund, plus hundreds of private donors. Thanks to this funding and the hard work of the team involved, the Falling Sands Viaduct will now be safe and functional for decades to come.